Hello, we are talking about some of the benefits that employers have in Guatemala. Industrial engineer does not work with machines, work with people. This is why it's necessary to know the rights and duties that each worker has, in order to optimize development and provide better service, creating a pleasant environment for the worker. Some of the benefits that employers have are 14 bonus. It's a compulsory labor provision for all employers in both the private and public sector, and is constituted a granted a salary or salary ordinary to every worker for a amount of 1 month of salary provided that it has a full period of the proportional part when less. Holidays. After 1 year of continual service, employers are granted 15 working days of paid vacation. IRTRA, Private Workers Recreation Institute of Guatemala. In Guatemala, an institution that provides recreation to workers who are registered, allowing them to enter free to the different parks. IX, the Guatemalan Social Security Institute, is an autonomous government institution dedicated to providing health and social security service to people who have affiliation to the institute. Compensation. In Guatemala, the law establishes that the worker can claim compensation in case of dismissal by his employer.
Insurance of the expensive medical expenses of the worker will have option to access one hospital doctor in the rest of the world, employing all those of this country again. And program. This program promise of the securities in health, the size of accidents on their consequence, protects in maternity, as promises protects in class of the disability and old age, and covers interest and creative by that. In Guatemala is around 55 years in the benefits is life on the only extinguished while the death of the interest and date of the station. Companies must assume inside claims during pregnancy and when the baby born in education to working life made to the companies of the maternity. Life insurance. The insurance covers medical expenses around the airlines or accident, protecting in the health of the human talent by working of the contracting company.
Additional benefits that some companies adopt in Guatemala. Many employees have the opportunity to have a significant impact as employees within a company, driving via competitive salary, comprehensive quality benefits. Annual incentive plan. An annual incentive plan that links a portion of salary with three main metrics: organic growth in sales against the established plan, operating profit compared to the plan, and growth in the operating profit versus projected growth. The payment of the incentive is made annually. Sales incentive. Each sales representative has a part of their salary scheme a sales incentive plan that is paid on a monthly basis. Pension plan. Plan that allows fomenting the culture of serving between the employees of the company.
Another benefit will be transportation and rail. Make the transport easy to employees and give them food when it is necessary. Stock acquisition plan. It's a plan to buy shares of the company at a preferential value. Dental insurance. Reimburse the benefits and service of treatments and dental diseases of the employee. Diet and travel. Many employees receive meal bonuses, non-routine meal allowances on commuting. Additional holidays that mark the law, parking, recreation areas, events, celebration, Christmas gifts for children or employees, and many more. In conclusion, Every company in Guatemala must comply with granting the benefits that its employee must have by right. Otherwise, the company risks being sued in the Ministry of Work. In addition to complying with the rights of employees to avoid legal problems, companies also provide additional benefits for the purpose of preventing the formation of a syndicate, as these are usually cancerous for the companies. In this way, employees perform better because they feel more comfortable offering more benefits to the company, which on the other hand also saves the cost of selecting and training new employees, thus ensuring people who work for the company faithfully and with knowledge and experience in the sector. In the field of employees' benefits, there are many interesting possibilities so that the employee feels loyal to the company, part of it, value, and acquiring the coverage of needs that alone couldn't expect.